Alright guys, today we're going to do a collection video, but as the title says, you can tell it's not going to be a tool video. It's going to be off of a hobby that I have. Well, let's get to it. Yes guys, I'm talking about yo-yos. This is my yo-yo collection. I got a collection of about 44. They range from plastic to metal, cheaper ones to higher priced ones. Been collecting for about 2.5 years, but I've been playing since I was in elementary school. About 2.5 years ago is when I found out there was a lot of videos on YouTube. Actually, they were showing about a lot of tutorials, so I started looking them up, started getting more back into it, started learning some tricks. Found out that they had started putting bearings in the yo-yos, and that's when I started getting into them even more. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into the collection and we'll go from there. Alright guys, here's my yo-yo collection. I'm going to start showing y'all each one of them. No particular order, but we're going to go ahead and just start with the Duncans because that's my favorite brand. So let's go from there. Here we have an old school Duncan Imperial. It's all wore out. I've had this one since I was in at least junior high school, if not younger. Don't really play with this much. This one's just for more for nostalgia. Here I got two Duncan Pro Z's. Got a yellow one and a black one. I bought two of them because I was gonna try to do two-way yo-yo, double-handed. That is a lot harder than what it looks. And these ones actually are pretty cool because they actually come with mod spacers, so you can actually turn them into from Imperial to butterfly design, which is pretty cool. A lot of these I was buying double, just different colors, just because I thought they were cool. Here I got my Duncan Strix, one of the probably second or third metal one that I bought, but one of my favorites right here is this blue one that, if you can actually see, I somewhat modded it, took some sandpaper and sanded down the edges just to give it a bimetal look. Here's my purple Strix. This one's basically stock, and they never mess with this one. Two Butterfly XTs. One in blue and one in green. Like I said, I was just buying a bunch of doubles just because I thought it was cool to have two of each. But that does get expensive after a while. Here's my Duncan metal drifters. These were actually the first metal ones that I bought. Started learning a lot of my tricks off of these ones. Got the purple one and got the green one with the little skull counterweights on them. Of course, what's a collection without having light up yo-yos? Got my Duncan Pulse. Got a yellow one right here and the blue one. And of course I got some Duncan Speed Beetles, the clear and blue, and then my red and yellow one. Like I said, I bought two of everything. I thought I was going to try to do two-way. Boy, was I wrong. Okay, what do we got next? Little off-string action going on right here. Got my Duncan Skyhawk, excuse me. Pretty cool yo-yo. Real good, pretty durable. Drop this thing a lot. These are a lot harder than what they look too. Actually, they look pretty hard, so It's as hard as what it looks. It's another Duncan Torque. This is another good yo-yo. This is, I don't know if you can see, but this one is actually dinged up pretty bad. This is the one I used to play with when I'm gone and I'm out. So if it hits the ground, if it hits anything, it don't matter because it's already all messed up. Here's some more Duncans that I have. I really like these ones too. I'll just leave them in the package, but you'll be able to see them. This one is, see if that glare don't bother y'all too much, but that's the Duncan Grasshopper. Pretty fun yo-yo to play with. This one too, the Duncan Origami. Pretty much looks the same on both ends. I got my Duncan Freehand Pro. These are the counterweight yo-yos. This one is the Yo-Yo Expert Edition. Which a lot of these I did get off of Yo-Yo Expert. Some of them off of just eBay, Amazon, the Duncan store. There's tons of stores out there. This is my Freehand Pro. This one I got off of Yo Tricks. It's the Yo Trick red and light blue color. Been trying to practice a little bit of this. It's pretty hard too, but one day I'll master it. And right here, if y'all can see that right there, I have a Duncan Ninja Turtle collection. Got all 4 of them right here. Left these in the package, thought they were pretty cool. Figure I'd just leave them like that while I open them. Anyway, let's continue on. Right here I got another off-string yo-yo. This one is another yo-yo Yo-Yo Expert Edition. This one is a Yo-Yo Factory Flight, I believe they're called. It's the red and black Yo-Yo Expert colors. Pretty cool. I want to say I got this off of one of the Yo-Yo Factory mystery boxes on Yo-Yo Expert. The Yo-Yo Factory Pop Star, a small yo-yo. I think this one also came in that mystery box. Pretty cool. It's little. Helps you learn how to hit the strings. Yo-Yo Factory Boss. This was another one. I think it was 3 yo-yos that came in that mystery box. This one was another one. Pretty cool little yo-yo. It is a smaller yo-yo, smaller in diameter. Pretty cool. It's alright. Don't play with it much, but it was pretty cool. Let's see what next. Let's go with my Yo-Yo Jam collection. Here we go. I got the Dark Magic, the original one. This one was black, came with the gold metal caps. Pretty cool. I like this one a lot. Old school yo-yo. It has that O-ring response. Then I got 2 Dark Magic 2s. The red with the regular metal cap, or end caps, yeah, whatever call them. And the Ghost Edition, Dark Magic 2 Ghost Edition. And it has the, forgot the name brand of them, but they got the little lights inside of them. I put them in there. So when I throw it, it lights up. All right. Let's go to, well, this is the only magic yo-yo that I have. I just thought it was pretty cool. I saw a review on it. Thought it was cool, like the name. It's the yo-yo, the magic yo-yo avocado. This is a fun little yo-yo. Pretty cool. I like it. It plays good. Here's some more Yo-Yo Factory yo-yos I have. This one is the Paul Kerbal Horizon from Yo-Yo Factory in red. Has that finger spin cup, which I have yet to master. I got my Yo-Yo Factory shutter, the Gentry Stein yo-yo. This one came in a cool blue to gray fade. Pretty nice yo-yo. This one plays really well. And Yo-Yo Factory Superstar. This was my first Yo-Yo Factory yo-yo. Plays really good. The finish on it is really smooth, really good for grinds. This was my favorite yo-yo for the longest time until I got some new other ones. Let's go. Right here. Throw Revolutions. I believe this is the Zephyr 2. Really nice yo-yo. Got a really good grind finish on it. I actually saw Brandon Vu did a review on this, and I really liked the way they were. Really nice. And it plays really good too. Plus, I love the case it comes in. Look at that. All right. I got a few G-squared yo-yos. Let's start off with these two. This one right here, G-squared Banshee. One of the best yo-yos this is the best yo-yo I have. I don't play with it much because I don't know if you can see, but it does have a few scuff marks in it, so I try not to play with it too much anymore. Maybe not until I get better. One of the best yo-yos. If you can get your hold of one of these, get one of these if you're into yo-yos. And AL7 Aftershock. There's another really nice yo-yo. I never played with the regular Aftershock, so I don't know how different it plays, but this one plays pretty good. Plus, I love that colorway. Look at that. Now I'm gonna go into my monthly throw yo-yos. So I pay a monthly fee to be in this group or whatever, and every month they send a different yo-yo. Pretty cool deal. So right here I got my G-squared Warthog. Really nice yo-yo. Got a real good thumb grind lip. Finish is real cool. Colorway. I don't know what the name of it was, but it looks pretty awesome. Alright. This one I believe came with the monthly throw. I really can't remember, but it is another Yo-Yo Factory Flight off-string. This one came in, I guess it's orange. The Yo-Yo Factory Ben Conde yo-yo. It's a responsive yo-yo. for basically this one's for beginners, barely starting out. Pretty cool yo-yo, just want to have in the collection. So here's the Jester. This one's by Two Sick Yo-Yos. This one's another pretty cool looking one. This one kind of grew on me. Wasn't too crazy about it when I first got it, but it actually grew on me after playing with it for a while. I actually like it now. Yo-Yo Zekio, the Flare, I believe. Yo-Yo Zekio Flare. This one's pretty cool because it actually has, it's a plastic yo-yo with 2 different metal rings on it. So it has a stainless steel ring and I believe like an aluminum ring. You can see aluminum, stainless steel, plastic. Pretty cool yo-yo. It doesn't play as well as I would want it to, but it's still fun to play with. Alright, what do we got here? Rhesus Komodo. Ahmad Charisma or whatever, I have no idea. But it's a cool kind of pink to gold fade. Pretty cool yo-yo. I like this one a lot too. Got the Spin Dynamic. Yeah, Spin Dynamics Spark. This one's another cool yo-yo. Came in a black, yellow, black and gold, silver colorway. Really fun to play with. I like this one a lot too. I like all my yo-yos. This one, see if I can figure out how to open it. The One Drop Terrarian. Really cool yo-yo. Look at that. One drop. Love the way this one looks. Got some little ridges in there, but that color, got the gold, black, red, almost reminds me of the 49ers colors. And this one, wow. The only problem when they don't mark them, you never remember what they are. It's a cool yo-yo. I just cannot remember the name of it. Here's a sticker. CLYW. CYLW, that's the iceberg. Yeah, there we go. This was also a monthly throw. It was not, it was a monkey finger. Whatever they call those things. Coconuts or whatever they want to call them. I don't know. I tried playing with these. Not good at that either. All right. Over here, I got a couple of some of my yo-yo accessories. Let's see if y'all can see this. Got some monthly throw stickers. Recess Komodo stickers. A Tiki Yo-Yo Club. Of course, you gotta have your yo-yo tools. Take out your bearings, tighten up your axles. Here's a Duncan one. Comes with a little yo-yo holder. My Yo Tricks yo-yo holder. Couple of Duncan gloves. And here's some of the string I have. These are my zipline strings. These are pretty cool. If y'all don't have some, check them out. Here's the regular cherry bomb zipline string. Pretty nice color. I like this, the way they turn out. All of these play really well. Here's the slushy thick. I already taken a couple out of there. These are the colors that I got left in here. Here's the Tainted Love. Anybody know the Tainted Love? This is the Tom from Throws and Brews colorway. You can see there. And here I got my Dylan Kowalski colorway yo-yo. The Bazooka and whatever the other one was, Bubblicious or Bubblicious. And the other one was Bazooka, I guess, something like that. Need strings? Go check out Zipline. You can catch them on Facebook. I got a few other toys out here that are pretty cool. Got a few fidget spinners. Here's the Iron Man fidget spinner. This cool gear one. Mainly bought them just to buy them. There's a couple of spinners I bought for my nephews that they're either broke or just wore out. Don't want them getting hurt off of these. You can see the bearings just pop out. Dangerous for kids, so got these away from them. Of course, gotta have a Rubik's Cube. And I got my little bags here, carry my yo-yos, or I keep a lot of my extra stuff in here. Got tons of strings, some epic string, pretty good strings also. And the bulk string that I bought off of websites. Keep some odds and ends stuffs in here. I believe this is an empty case. Used to carry yo-yos in Duncan. Well, guys, that is my yo-yo collection. Hope you had fun watching it, enjoyed looking at them. I enjoy playing with them. Like I said, this is different than the regular tool videos and all that we do, but it's something I like to do. Like I said, a hobby. So anyway, have fun. We'll catch you later.